Hey guys! How are you? Hope you are doing well. This is my first video, and I am going to talk about how to install Flutter in your Windows. So without wasting time, let's get started. Installing Flutter is too much easy. First of all, open your Chrome browser and search for Flutter. Now, click on the top result. Now, you can see the Get Started button. Simply click on it. Now they've asked to choose your operating system. I'll choose Windows. You can choose according to your operating system. Now, make sure the minimum system requirement match with your device. Now you have to install these two apps, Windows PowerShell and Git. Generally, Windows PowerShell is pre-installed and you have to install Git. In my case, I have already installed both of the apps. Now, in order to run Flutter commands, SDK is required. Download the latest one from here. After the download is completed, open the folder where the file is downloaded. Now, as mentioned in documentation, just extract the zip file to C drive, src. If you don't find src folder, then simply create new one. I've already extracted this file. As you can see, all the files of Flutter SDK is here. Now, search for environment variables. After that, select path and click on Edit button. Now, click on New button and add new path to the bin like this. After that, click on OK to close this window. So now, you can run Flutter commands globally. Now, search for VS Code and download it from the official site. And simply install it. Now, search for Android Studio and install the latest one from the official site. Download link is given in the description. Installation process may take some more time. So, in my case, I've already installed both of them. After the installation part is done, simply open the Android Studio. For the first time it will download necessary files, so it takes some time. Now, click on Configure menu on bottom right corner and then go to Plugin. After that, search and install Flutter and Dart plugin. Now, go to the AVD Manager in the Configure menu and create a new virtual device. You can create it according to your requirement. Just click Next and finish it. To start emulator, simply click on Play button. It will launch the emulator where our app will run. Now, close AVD Manager in Android Studio from the background. Now, open Visual Studio Code Editor. Go to Extensions in left navigation panel. Now, search for Flutter and install the plugin. Do the same for Dart, search Dart and install it. After that, open Command Prompt and run the command Flutter Doctor. It will check your environment and show you the report. If it shows error in Android toolchain, then execute the command given in the description. Now, if everything is correct, then close the CMD and open VS Code Editor. After that, go to View and go to the command palette, or use shortcut Ctrl-Shift-P to open it. Now, type Flutter. Select New Project. Now, it will ask you for project name. Give any name you like. I give it Demo. After that, give a path where you want to save it. Now, it will generate all the files automatically. Now wait until the process is completed. After that, go to Terminal and type Flutter Run. It will build your app. For the first time, it will take some time. Wait for some time until Gradle process is completed. After compilation process completed, app will start in emulator automatically. Now, you can do hot reload by pressing R. Now, if you make any change in code and press R for hot reload, then changes will reflect in emulator runtime.